So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are near Chorla Ghat. From here Goa is 70 kilometers. We are staying back here because driving at night time it is not safe, and this resort is amazing, Jungle View Resort. I'll go and quickly show you the view of the resort and also the swimming pool. Let's go. This is the view from my room, and most important thing, you can see my bike, how safe it is. Once I come out from the balcony, you can see my bike. Wow. So let's quickly go through the resort and I'll show you the resort. Then we're gonna start to Goa. I know we are already late, but still I wanted to enjoy in this resort. That is the reason I have stayed back here. So most of the people who are going on the way to Goa plan to stay a night here to enjoy the view. So guys, this is a resort. Outside of the resort you can see full jungle. It is very big resort. Going to swimming pool now. I know the water will be chill, but still I am planning to get into the water. So guys, finally we are done with the swimming pool. So we will go and get fresh and check out from this resort. Then we'll move to Goa. So on the way to Goa, I'll be showing the Ghat road. There will be amazing road from here. Let's go. Guys, see, monkeys are there at my cottage. So guys, we are going to check out from the hotel now. So I'll do the cold start for the bike because last night was so cold. So guys, we are vacating from the room. I'll come and take the bag again. We ordered for the breakfast. I think it will take some time, so meantime I want to take some of the luggage on the bike to the reception. So this is the entrance of the resort. Actually, you can see, I'll show you in the right side. So right side you can see Delta ecohuts from the way from Belgaum we came from that side, and Goa is towards this side. So we order for the breakfast, and we'll be having the breakfast and mounting all the bags, and we'll be leaving in some time. So alright guys, we are starting now. Mounted our bags on the bike, then we'll straight head to Goa. Here, from here 2 kilometers trek, there's a waterfall. I think the police is not allowing that, so let's go and ask this guy. भैया वो वाटरफॉल में अलो नहीं कर रहे क्या? मगर पानी बहुत गिरेगा?
पानी है, थोड़ा है अभी।
थोड़ा बारिश के टाइम में बहुत आएगा?
हाँ, बारिश के टाइम में जाने को नहीं मिलता।
उसको रोड का रास्ता नहीं है, रोड का
बोलते तो लड़का नीचे है ना,
हाँ,
वो ले घुमा के लाता आपको। अभी नहीं, अभी नहीं जाएगा।
ओके ठीक है,
अभी जा भी सकता है चाहे तो आपको, उसको पूछो।
ठीक है। So road is very good road. Only we need to watch out the big vehicles while turning. Check post. Hoping it will reach. Wow, bye. Maybe 130. Yes. We are enjoying this ghat. I hope you guys also will enjoy by seeing the video. Not sure when I will upload this video, but yeah, definitely I'll try to upload as soon as possible. And Yeah, we didn't book the hotel yet in the Goa because we are not sure which beach we're gonna stay. Maybe a Kalangat or Kondolim. But I will definitely try to check in a good hotel or resort beachside. Guys, look at this. These kind of turnings are there. We will not be knowing if any vehicle is coming from other side. See, look at this. How will I come to know left side some vehicle is coming or not? They are not even honking. If they honk, at least I'll come to know that some vehicle is coming. But whenever I'm trying to cross this kind of turn, it's at least giving a honk so that the other vehicle will be knowing that some vehicle is coming. That's a good practice. Everyone has to do it. But these most of the vehicles which are coming here, Karnataka K only, like from people from Belgaum and trucks. Most of them were trucks only, like they're transporting something from Karnataka to Goa. Yeah, I think someone is stopped here. Restaurant. Oh, so we didn't book any hotel in Goa because not sure what time we reached, and before booking we wanted to see the hotel as well. Planning to check in again a nice resort or beach resort or jungle resort or something. Oh. Every 20 to 30 seconds I can able to see one vehicle is crossing. A lot of truck and car flow is there on this road. Both the sides I can able to see. But night time, trust me guys, I was not able to see any bike or a car towards Goa road. From Goa it is coming. Trucks, all the trucks. Heavy driver they call, right? Fifth gear, I think we need to slow down. So guys, we are entering into the Goa. I know it was a roller coaster ride. From past 2 days we were on the way and we hopped into couple of hotels. So finally we are into Goa state after a long stretch. There's a check post over here. We want to check. Police want to check, but nobody is going to stop us. Before the check post there was 2 more check posts were there. They were checking all the documents and also what you're carrying to Goa. See, welcome to Goa. Hospitality is our right. Yo. Wow. So we need to check into hotel, good hotel which has good parking. We're 43 kilometers from here till Kalangat. So guys, we are very close to the beach, 11 kilometers from here, 23 minutes. And if you see this road, then you should think that we are in Goa. Lot of speed breakers over here. I think we need to take a right over here. Woo! Hello. Yeah, then once we take this left, highway is gonna come. I think that is towards the Panjim road. Yeah. I wore a jacket and sweating a lot. Yeah. Panjim and Mapusa city. So once we go straight, that's the Mapusa. From there we can go to South Goa. Now we are going to North Goa. So we have to cross the Panjim and go. And from Panjim or Belgaum, I think we can ship a bike to one more place. I mean, like maybe Belgaum to Panjim. So if we go to Panjim, we can take our bike to Belgaum on ship, like on boat. See you guys. Finally we reached Goa. You can see the beach. So bike is at beach resort. We booked some beach resort. So we can't get the bike near this beach. I'm sure somewhere some other beach we can go and get our bike there on the beach.